Today on the Street Food Chef YouTube channel, we're here in Nakhon Si Thammarat, the home of where Palm comes from. And also, it's very famous for Khanom Jims. So Palm, what Khanom Jims do we have here in front of us?
So here we have almost everything from the, we have everything from the south. Curry sauce. So we have nam prik nam ya, which is always together. Nam prik you can have on its own if you don't like spicy. You have gang pa, and you have fish stomach, which is fermented.
Fantastic. Well, let's try the nam ya and the nam prik first. Okay, Palm, after you. One thing that I didn't mention that I got here that I just love, and it's one of Palm and I's favorite. We had it on our menu in E&O, and this is basically leb krup gung, which is basically a, what is it? It's a bush, yeah?
Yeah, it's a bush.
Then it's just mixed with flour and red curry paste, and then prawns, and then just deep fried. I'm gonna dig in one of these. It's my favorite, crunchy. Lovely. Have a look at that. But the South use quite a lot of coconut, don't they, in their curries?
Yeah. Nakhon very strong and spicy.
Are the women like that here too?
Yeah.
Strong and spicy? That's why you didn't marry one, eh? You married a nice central girl. And then also you add in some of your greens on here. This has got coconut milk in here, and it's been cooked, and it's kangkung. Pop that there, and then this one we have a little bit of pickled mustard green. It's really nice as well. You just sprinkle that on.
So now we see the difference between the north side dish and the south. The southern not cooked.
Yeah.
Raw. Most of them raw. In the north,
Everything's cooked. And then also they have some wonderful herbs. These are baby curry leaves that I'm going to put on here as well, which will give a nice flavor and texture to it. Again, it's very like Indonesian Sunda food, where you have your lalapan and you put this on top, and it just gives textures and bitterness to your salad. Okay, mix that all through. Very good indeed. Let's try gang
pung pla.
Don't
Don't put too much of it. That one is supposed to be very strong and spicy. So 1 full spoon is enough.
And I've got a bit of pumpkin here, or is it carrot? Pumpkin. Very nice actually, and the pumpkin is really good with it because it makes it sweet, gives it a little sweet sort of texture and taste to it. Amazing flavors and textures.